In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a section scroll navigation in Elementor in just 5 minutes. First and foremost, ensure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Head over to your browser and enter your website's URL, followed by WP admin, and enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're in, the next step is to install a very helpful plugin that'll allow you to create a beautiful section scroll navigation. So on the left-hand side, go to the Plugins section. In this tab, click on Add New. This will lead you to a page where you can search for plugins to enhance your website's functionality. In the search bar, type in HTMega. This plugin is a suite of tools designed to integrate with Elementor, offering countless features, one of which is the scroll navigation we are after. When you see HTMega Absolute Add-ons for Elementor in the list of results, click on it to proceed with the installation process. After clicking, you'll be prompted to install the plugin. Go ahead and click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, make sure to activate it. Activating the plugin is crucial because it integrates the features into your website, making them ready for use. With HTMega now active, look for HTMega add-ons in the admin menu on the left and click on it. This will open a new page with various elements and settings. Here, you'll want to click on Elements to manage the specific features provided by HTMega. Scroll through the options until you find Scroll Navigation. Make sure the toggle is switched to the On position. This action activates the scroll navigation widget within your Elementor environment. Now that everything is set up, let's integrate the scroll navigation into your page. Click on Pages from your admin panel and select the page you want to edit or add a new one if needed. Once you're on the desired page, you'll find an option labeled Edit with Elementor. Click that to launch the Elementor page builder. Inside the Elementor editor, look at the Widgets section on the left. You need to locate and search for scroll navigation. By doing so, you'll pull up the widget we activated earlier. Drag and drop this widget onto your page where you wish to have the navigation functionality. Incorporate this widget to customize the page to your liking. You can use it to link to various sections, add transitions, or even enhance interactivity with media like images and videos. If you wish to add media, look for the Add Item button to upload images or videos to your scroll sections. Once you're happy with your setup and satisfied that everything is working as expected, go ahead and click on Publish to make your changes live. Congratulations, you've successfully set up section scroll navigation in Elementor. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your website's navigation.